Here's how to see the email on your Facebook account. Now open up Facebook. I'm on an iPhone. You can do this on Android, or even if you're on a computer, just open up facebook.com. Now we need to be able to get to your settings to be able to see that email and to change it if you want. So tap on menu at the bottom right and the gear icon at the top right. After you've done that, we're in your settings, but we need to get down to just your personal information. To be able to do that, you'll be able to see at the very top is See More in Account Center. Tap on that. And then midway down towards the bottom is personal details, including that email address. Just tap on that. Now from here, under contact info, it should have both email and phone number. Just tap on that and then tap on email address. Now keep in mind on here, you need to create a different email address on your account and associate it with it before you can delete the old one. But I can tap on Facebook here and I can always choose to delete from Facebook. If I wanted a different email on here, I can always go back, add here, hit add new contact and add email address to add a new email address associated with my account.